So a lot of people are much more restricted in their doing. So if you're off work and you've got to stay home, here's your scale of what you normally do, the range of what you normally do, and then we're stuck in this tight space of doing where we can do a lot less. We're restricted. So that gives a lot more time to explore then the being. So what is the difference between the doing and the being? And then how do you transition from one to the other? That's part of the challenge. And again, is when the doing is reduced, when you increase your sense of being in your day, it changes the quality of your experience. So it's this isolation that we're in. It's a great opportunity to explore your space, explore your inner space, and to redefine your interpretation of how you hold your space and your perception of it. How do you come into that lovely being in yourself and stay grounded into it, stay connected into it,